Slow English Story. Tom's Morning Routine. Tom is a 21-year-old college student. He lives in a small apartment near his college. Every morning, Tom follows a simple routine. One morning, the alarm clock rings at 7 a.m. Beep, beep, beep. Tom opens his eyes slowly. He stretches his arms and smiles. "Good morning," Tom says. He gets out of bed and opens the window. The sun is bright and the birds are singing. Tom feels happy and fresh. First, he makes his bed neatly. Then he walks to the bathroom. Tom brushes his teeth for 2 minutes. After that, he washes his face with cold water. "Now I feel awake," he says. Next, Tom goes to the kitchen. He prepares a simple breakfast. Today, he eats bread, eggs, and a banana. He also drinks a cup of hot coffee. While eating breakfast, Tom listens to an English podcast. The speaker says slowly, "Good morning. How are you today?" Tom repeats the sentence aloud. "I am fine today." Slow English Story. He likes practicing English every morning. After breakfast, Tom takes a quick shower. Then he puts on clean clothes. He wears a blue hoodie, black jeans, and white shoes. Tom looks in the mirror. "Ready for the day," he says confidently. Before leaving home, Tom packs his backpack. He puts in his notebook, a water bottle, his laptop, and his English book. Finally, Tom leaves the apartment at 8 a.m. Outside, the weather is cool and pleasant. He walks slowly to the bus stop. On the bus, Tom reads a few English words on his phone. Morning routine, breakfast, college, study. Tom smiles because learning English is becoming easier every day. At 8:30 a.m., he arrives at college feeling energetic and positive. Tom's morning routine is simple, healthy, and organized. It helps him start the day with happiness and confidence. The end.